Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese version of green pepper stuffed meat. Hope you will like it. First, prepare 6 green peppers and remove the heads and buttons. Cut each of them in half. Use a chopstick to remove the seeds inside the peppers. Now we need to cut and mash some pork. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white spice powder, a little bit sugar. Crack 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of starch. Mix well. Now stuff the meat into the peppers. Make sure there is meat leaking a little bit out from both sides. Now prepare some starch. Dip both sides of the stuffed pepper into the starch. In this way, we can prevent the meat from leaking out later when we cook them. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the stuffed pepper in. Fry them until bubbles appear on the skin of the peppers. Now we need to make the sauce. Add 1 spoon of sugar, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of cooking wine, and some water. Mix well and the sauce is ready. Pour the sauce into the pan. Switch to small fire and cover the pan. Cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare some starch water. Pour it into the pan. When the sauce thickens, turn off the fire and this dish is cooked. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you in the next episode.